And welcome to the Corbellic studio. I'm Corbellic. We're back on another time-lapse video. I'm gonna get to work right now. I'm gonna take care of 20, 30, some canvases, and then I'm gonna take a break. But I'm just going through the process, showing you how I show up to work every single day. I think it's important so you can see me show up to work every day, how I go through each canvas so fast. I don't think about really the process. It's not about that. It's about the results and what we get at the end, but showing you that I show up to work. Everybody else is trying to tell you these get rich quick schemes and these, oh, you're just going to be making money sipping Mai Tais on the beach and you got your laptop and you're going to be chilling. You can get there, and I can show you how to get there, but you are going to have to grind and put the work in. If you're not ready to put the work in, then you're not going to be making the money. But you could make the money easily in this time frame. This time frame, you're going to be making $1,000. I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 in this short period of time that I'm about to do this time lapse right now. And what else are you going to be doing with your time? You could be breaking this up. You could be doing this before you go to work, and then you could do this after you go to work. But no, you don't want to do it. Instead, it's easier for you to make excuses and say to yourself, oh no, I'm mentally tired. I want to watch Netflix with my wife. I want to sit down and doom scroll on the phone, and I want to look at dumb stuff. But then you want to complain when you're at work mentally in your mind that one day the success and opportunities are going to fall from the trees and it's going to happen to you, but you're just waiting for that one day. But right now you're mentally tired. Man, that's bull. It's not going to happen. Don't procrastinate. Just work in the actions right now. Start right now. You don't need much to start, and you can start making money next week. Tap the link below. Join the free eBay art community. See what you need to get started. See all the things that you could do to start breaking yourself out of the cycle. It's important to break yourself out of the cycle, and this is the way to do it. Not some, oh, create an email list. Oh, create a funnels page. Oh, create. All of that stuff, it just takes too long, and you don't even know if it's going to be successful. They're going to say, hey, we don't even know what your business is. Maybe it's a hot dog pancake flipper business, and then and then they're going to make you $1 billion off of your hot dog pancake flipping business. It don't matter how many ads that they dump into your business. I can go on more about this. You can see I'm passionate about this, so that's why I show up to work. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, let's knock these out. I don't have to love it. I just have to get it done. That's one of the things that I always say to myself when I'm doing paintings, when I'm doing any piece. I don't have to love it. I just have to get it done. Some paintings I love, some paintings I'm like, I can live without it. But you know what's important? As long as that I showed up to work. And you don't have to think about trying to be so detailed and you're going to do this right and you're going to do that right, because it doesn't matter at the end of the day. You can't determine what the market is. There's pieces that I tried to have the most detail in, and they don't even sell that much, or you don't even get that many likes. And I've know if you're an artist and you've probably done this before, you've had this problem and it discourages you from wanting to try again. Either it doesn't sell for the dollar amount that you want, or it doesn't go for the attention that you wanted or that you thought you were. And then you get embarrassed, and then you're like, oh, I was just joking around. I was just playing around, world. I wasn't really trying to be an artist. No, you don't even have to do that. In this program, what I show you is that starting off, no one has to know about it. You can make sure that nobody knows about it, as long as you want to do this. As I was saying, I've been doing this for 5 years without social media. I didn't want people in my business. I was kind of done with being the gallery artist route 5 years ago when I was spending so much money and I was going the traditional routes of how they taught in the late 80s and 90s. That stuff is so played out, in the internet, it took it away. Social media, Instagram became the portfolio, and you're basically going against other gallery artists. And then if you go to any of these galleries, you're going to be seeing their artwork on the wall, and it's going to look great. It's going to look like it's got a good price tag. But guess what? No one's buying it. In this economy, there's more broke people than there are rich people. So even if you're one of the lucky and you sell a piece for $20,000, $30,000, which is far in between, okay, you still got to share 50% of that to the gallery. And then how often is that same collector or somebody else going to buy the next $30,000, $40,000 piece? And that's only if you worked up to that level, which is rare. So it's just better to sell pieces like this, have fun, don't think about it, get things done, use the projector, use references, everything how I break it down of where you can find it at or how you can populate it yourself in the eBay art community program. Click the link below, free yourself. I used to hate waking up in the morning to go to work, to have these stupid meetings that I didn't even care about, or to hear about numbers that I didn't care about. And it made me realize why it was so important for me to create this program and why I'm here trying to free everybody and why I'm trying to teach the lessons that I'm talking about. Why I show that it's so easy for anyone to do the methods of what I'm doing. You know, I'm not doing anything special. Only thing I'm doing is creating art and getting it done and over with. And you can do the same things. I used to have over 79 corporate jobs in my life. 79 of them, temp jobs. Yeah, mostly of them, they were temp jobs. And I would never get a raise, or the only time that I would ever get a raise is by me getting a new job. That's the best way for you to get a raise if you're in corporate America, but you couldn't go to your manager and say, hey, can I have an additional 5,000, 10,000? I'm doing that for you in this program that you can start paying yourself and nobody has to know about it. And I used to ask like, oh, just give me an opportunity so I can free myself. And I'm going to tell you the thing that freed me. Looking back on it, I'm so grateful for it. It was such a weird, trivial time, but the pandemic was the only time where it slowed things down and I could actually dedicate myself to eBay and I could actually see if it works or not for me. I would have excuses in my mind that it wouldn't work and that I didn't have the time to do it because I had to drive to the physical location to do a job of things that you could practically do online. You could do it through email. You could do, you understand what I'm saying. You didn't have to be there. But since we didn't have to be there, I was like, I'm home. And while I'm doing remote work, then I could dedicate myself to doing eBay and I could just push out art. So then I gave myself 2 weeks of really trying. And back then, that I wasn't even really trying. Like, I didn't know any of the stuff of the methods of what I'm showing you. I'm showing you years of what I've learned and a structure. I didn't have no structure or anything. I was just like, let me just try for 2 weeks. And then during those 2 weeks, I made more money than I did if I was just working, a month or so. I just remember the paycheck was so much from eBay. And I was like, you know what? I could be consistent, because then I wasn't even that consistent. And I was like, I can do this. And I quit my job and I haven't looked back from then. So that's one of the things that freed me, and giving you permission to free yourself as well. So I'm here. I'm really passionate about this, and I'm glad that I'm able to help everybody. And boom, right there. You just see me lay it out. If I can do it, you can do it. That's my favorite thing that I say in all the videos, because it's true. If I can do it, you can do it. I used to think to myself that nothing special was going to happen, that I wasn't able to make additional income, or that nothing was going to work out. I've invested hundreds of thousands of dollars into coaching programs, funnels, emails, Facebook ads, all of that stuff, and none of it worked. I haven't used social media in 5 years, and I was able to sell over 17,000 original pieces of art. You can see it. It's broken down there. I say all of this in every video because you can do it too. And you'll probably even be way better than me after you see all the steps and everything that you need to do. Imagine how you're going to feel when you show up to work. New clothes, new car. They're not even going to know where it comes from, because I'm showing you that you don't have to have your coworkers in your business. You don't have to have your annoying cousins in your business. You don't have to have anybody that's going to be trying to spew a little bit of negativity into your mindset that you can't do it, that you can't make this money, and you can't do it. Look, the holidays is coming up right now. So just do this. What I did right now, that's just one of my blocks, or maybe it was 2 of my blocks, right? But you could just do 1 block of this and you could make the money come in for yourself. You could do this part-time and you don't have to think about it. Everything is broken down for you. There's no guesswork. There's all the templates, all the titles, everything is in the program. So just click the link, tap in with me. Let me know what you think. So simple. If I can do it, you can do it. All right, let's go.